Welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. It's Friday morning. We're going to be closing out the trading week. We're going to take a look at the market, get an idea of where we're going, try to get a good ending for this week. We're already up fantastically. We're going to add on to that and try to close out a record week over here. So make sure you come back this afternoon, catch us, so we can go over our ROI for the week. I think you're going to be impressed. Let's talk about the market this morning. We got crypto pulling back just a little bit, and we've got the S&P down 0.35% this morning. So the market's pulling back. Most of my watch list is in the red this morning. We had a bit of a pop yesterday, so very possible we could see a pullback. That's how I'm going to be playing the day, especially with it being Friday. Now, that hasn't meant much here lately. Fridays has actually rallied the last few weeks. So I got to fall back on, though, what's been working for us for the most part, and with it already looking like it could be a down day, at this point, I'm going to be playing it like it's going to be a down day. Crypto starts greening up, running off, then I'll immediately switch gears and get myself set up to have a strong closeout for the market today. It's how I'm going to be playing things. Now, what's that mean? Of course, we're still holding our Coinbase calls. Probably not going to be a good day for them. That's okay. We bought them out far enough that we can afford to hold on to them. Other than that, we think that the market's going to be bad. We can always play like the SQQQ. That's always a good position. You can short the TQQQ or buy puts on the TQQQ. Another one I'm looking at that's just really beat down, that's the UVXY. Now, we haven't talked about the UVXY in a little while, but that's how we trade the VIX if there's going to be a lot of volatility. There really hasn't been a lot of volatility here lately, so the UVXY has been coming down. With that being said, we could see a pop in the UVXY. We could get maybe a little volatility in there, or at the very least, just a little bit of a move up, because it's kind of right down here at an all-time low. Pull up the daily chart. We actually set a new low yesterday at 495. We're sitting right now at 501, so we're right there at that all-time low. Could see a little bit of a pop back up out of the UVXY. I'm going to be keeping an eye on that. In fact, I may go ahead and pick up some calls on the UVXY, just see if I can get a quick pop out of that. So those are some different plays I'm going to be looking at. Like I said, I would expect to see the market pull back a little bit. How drastically, I don't know, because again, I see this market going down to around 380 on the SPY, and we ain't nowhere close to that. We've been rallying up. However, I do believe we're closing out the week. We got the FOMC meetings getting ever closer to us, and I do think that the market's going to end up shifting gears and shifting directions, which is why I've been telling everyone, don't FOMO in. If you're buying in, make sure you have a plan, because I do see this market moving down from where we're currently at, and I do not think that we're on the next bull run at this point. So that's what I got for you. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to have a lot going on today. Going to make some trades, close this week out good. And until this afternoon, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.